Hi everyone, today I will going to talk about the 5 most terrifying exoplanets. TRES-2b is an extrasolar planet which is also called an exoplanet orbiting the star, a yellow dwarf star called GSC 03549028111. Located at 750 light-years away from the solar system. TRES-2b was discovered at the 21st of August 2006 and has been identified in 2011 as the darkest known exoplanet, reflecting less than 1% of light from its host star. TRES-2b is a far exoplanet from Earth. It is 750.2 light-years away from Earth, which is come from Draco constellation. Draco constellation has another name, which is known as the Dragon. TRES-2b is a massive hot exoplanet. The majority of people nicknamed TRES-2b as Hot Jupiter. The reason why people nickname it Hot Jupiter is firstly because this exoplanet is too close to its host star. It only needs 59 hours to rotate around its host star. That caused TRES-2b apparently lacks reflective clouds, superheated as its atmosphere, and with temperature 980 degrees Celsius. The size of TRES-2b is 1.5 times wider than Jupiter, and the gravity 1 time massier than Jupiter. The second reason why we nickname it Hot Jupiter is because TRES-2b are too similar to Jupiter. They are both gas giants, everywhere covered by gas, with wind and cyclone inside, and with a rocky inner core at the center of those gas giants. But inside, Jupiter is covered by gas made of hydrogen and helium. But for TRES-2b, it's a gas covered by carbon dioxide. There are also something different compared to TRES-2b and Jupiter. Firstly, it's about the temperature. The temperature of Jupiter is very cold, but for TRES-2b, it's so hot. The second reason is the orbital period of the both planet and exoplanet rotate around its star. For Jupiter, it only needs 12 years to rotate around the Sun, but for TRES-2b, it uses 59 hours to rotate around its star. Thirdly, is about the color. The color of Jupiter is covered by white and red gas, but for TRES-2b, it is only covered by red gas. For Jupiter, the gas is made by hydrogen and helium with large cyclones. Especially Jupiter's birthmark, the red spot, which is a cyclone located at Jupiter for a century. But for TRES-2b, there's only red gas everywhere, made TRES-2b become very hot. 55 Cancri is an exoplanet everywhere covered by ocean, but the object ocean for 55 Cancri isn't a beautiful, salty, and bluish ocean to see from Earth. 55 Cancri's ocean is made by molten lava. It is extremely hot with burning ice. The temperature of 55 Cancri is 2,700 degrees Celsius. which is way hotter than the surface temperature of Earth's little sister planet Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, and it is the second planet that closest to the Sun. We already know Venus has extremely thick atmosphere and poisonous atmosphere, which made by the majority of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Don't forget, Venus also runs sulfuric acid, with everywhere covered by magma, with several volcanoes on Venus's surface. The greenhouse effect made Venus's temperature become very uninhabitable and hot. But 55 Cancri is way hotter than Venus. The size of 55 Cancri is twice of our Earth's diameter. It uses 18 days to rotate around its hot star, which is a yellow dwarf star, which is called 55 Cancri. 55 Cancri, also called a diamond exoplanet. The reason why people nicknamed 55 Cancri a diamond exoplanet doesn't mean everywhere on 55 Cancri covered by diamonds or rings diamonds like my favorite planet Neptune. It is only because scientists suggest that it was composed of diamonds and graphite. Oh yes, and I said the burning ice on 50 Cancri is what happened. I know there's a lot of people asking me why 55 Cancri is very hot, but it still have burning ice on it. Hot planet shouldn't have ice, but why 55 Cancri does? It is only because the massive gravity of 55 Cancri can keep those ice forever, but couldn't keep the ice forever like the glaciers on Earth from the coldest part on Earth, which is Antarctica. Because 55 Cancri is too close to its hot star. So the temperature is hot, but it has strong gravity to keep the ice permanently on 55 Cancri. That's pretty weird, isn't it? HD 189733b is the only exoplanet that rotates its hot star, HD 189733. HD 189733b looks pretty on its surface. HD 189733b's surface covered by blue and white pattern, pretty similar to ocean or blue atmosphere with clouds like Earth. But they are not ocean or blue atmosphere with clouds. They called hard silicates. HD 189733b has rain, but it doesn't rain water like Earth. It rains glasses. The most terrifying thing on it is the wind can blow 8,700 kilometers per hour. The fastest wind on Earth is 408 kilometers per hour. It is like 20 times faster than the wind on Earth. PSR B1257 plus 12 is a star, has a star system, which only contains 3 exoplanets. Those exoplanets are slowly getting destroyed from its hot star. The hot star of the 3 exoplanets is a pulsar. Pulsar is a kind of star that has strong gravity and high mass. Pulsars are the 3 stages of massive stars after one massive star like a red supergiant explodes as a supernova. They have strong gravity and high mass. Made pulsars has strong gravity and pulsars has rotational period like the maximum is 15 minutes, but the minimum might be like 2 minutes to 5 minutes. That's pretty fast, isn't it? Think about the rotational period of Earth is 24 minutes, but for pulsars, they are like 15 minutes. Pulsars are pretty similar to white dwarf star, which are both dead star for average stars and massive stars. Pulsars will be way hotter than white dwarf star and way massiver than white dwarf star. If you guys imagine when white dwarf star become our star, Earth will be okay, but just have strong ultraviolet rays can hurt people's eyes. But how can you think about a supernova, about a pole star replace our sun? It is not only that easy for burning your eyes for the ultraviolet rays, it can also destroy everything surround on Earth. Kepler-70 was a blue dwarf star, but expanded as a red giant in 18.4 million years ago. The closest exoplanet that is rotating Kepler-70 was a Jupiter-like gas giant called Kepler-70b. Kepler-70 sucked up all the gas around Kepler-70b and transformed Kepler-70b become a blazing hot rocky world. Kepler-70b became the hottest exoplanet ever discovered. Guys, can you believe Kepler-70b is even hotter than the surface of our Sun? But after a short period of time, Kepler-70b exoplanet will be swallowed by its star very soon, and the planet will gone forever. Alright guys, hope you like my YouTube channel. If you like my YouTube channel, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice day.